Ever wondered if you can actually move your crypto from Kraken to your own personal wallet? It's a question a lot of people ask, especially those new to the crypto space. There's so much talk about exchanges, wallets, private keys, it can get confusing fast. You've probably heard stories, some good, some not so good, about holding your own crypto. And Kraken, being a popular exchange, is often part of that conversation. So, can you withdraw your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies from Kraken to a wallet you control? The short answer is a resounding yes. But, as with anything in the crypto world, there are some important details you need to understand to do it safely and efficiently. This video is going to break down everything you need to know about withdrawing from Kraken to a wallet. We'll cover the step-by-step process, discuss the different types of wallets you can use, highlight potential fees, and most importantly, walk through the security precautions you absolutely must take to protect your funds. Because, let's be honest, security is paramount in the crypto world. One wrong move can lead to irreversible losses. So, if you're ready to take control of your crypto and learn how to move it off Kraken and into your own wallet, stick around. First, let's talk about why you might want to withdraw your crypto from an exchange like Kraken in the first place. While exchanges are great for buying, selling, and trading, they aren't necessarily the best place to store large amounts of cryptocurrency for the long term. Think of it like this: an exchange is like a bank where you keep some cash for everyday transactions. A wallet, on the other hand, is like your personal safe at home where you keep your valuables. You have more direct control over your funds in a wallet. You hold the private keys, which are essentially the passwords to your crypto. This gives you complete ownership and control. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's briefly discuss the different types of wallets. There are several options, each with its own pros and cons. We have hardware wallets, which are considered the most secure. These are physical devices, like a USB drive, that store your private keys offline. This makes them virtually immune to hacking. Then there are software wallets, which are applications you install on your computer or smartphone. They're more convenient than hardware wallets, but they're also more susceptible to malware or hacking if your device is compromised. And finally, we have online wallets, also known as web wallets, which are hosted by third-party services. These are the easiest to use, but they also require you to trust a third party with your private keys, which introduces a level of risk. For withdrawals from Kraken, most people opt for either a hardware wallet or a software wallet. Hardware wallets are generally recommended for larger holdings, while software wallets are a good option for smaller amounts or for those who prioritize convenience. Choosing the right wallet for you depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Do your research and pick the one that best suits your situation. Okay, now let's get to the actual process of withdrawing from Kraken. First, you'll need to log into your Kraken account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Withdraw section. You'll then need to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Kraken supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, so make sure you choose the correct one. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal address. This is the public address of your wallet where you want to send your crypto. It's absolutely crucial that you enter this address correctly. Double-check, triple-check, and even quadruple-check it. A single typo can result in the irreversible loss of your funds. Seriously, this is not something to take lightly. Copy and paste the address if possible to avoid any manual errors. Once you've entered the withdrawal address, you'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there might be minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees associated with the transaction. Kraken will usually display this information clearly. Be sure to factor these fees into your calculations. After you've confirmed all the details, you'll need to verify the withdrawal. Kraken will likely send you a confirmation email or require you to enter a two-factor authentication code. This is another important security measure to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more for the transaction to be confirmed. Now, let's talk about security. I can't stress this enough, security is paramount. Here are some essential tips to keep your crypto safe. Use a strong password for your Kraken account and enable two-factor authentication. Never share your private keys with anyone. Your private keys are the keys to your crypto. Anyone with access to them can control your funds. Be wary of phishing scams. Never click on links in emails or messages that claim to be from Kraken. Always go directly to the Kraken website by typing the address into your browser. Keep your software wallet updated with the latest security patches. Consider using a hardware wallet for maximum security, especially for larger holdings. Double-check the withdrawal address before confirming any transaction. This is the most critical step to prevent accidental loss of funds. Start with a small test transaction. Before withdrawing a large amount, send a small amount to your wallet to make sure everything is working correctly. Withdrawing crypto from Kraken to a wallet is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the steps involved and, most importantly, prioritize security. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can safely and efficiently manage your cryptocurrency and take control of your digital assets. Remember, the crypto space is constantly evolving, so stay informed and keep learning. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.